Welcome all. In the series of basic Linux command, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the concept of listing the information of currently logged in user in your system. So there is a few commands which is used for the listing currently logged in users, who, w, and who am I. So for better understanding, we will use the hands-on session to demonstrate it. So first we are going to discuss the command who. Who will tell you who is logged in your system and from which terminal he is logged in. So now you can check that we need two terminals. Now if I will open more terminals again, who, so there is a T PTS0 PTS1. This is terminal name. To see the terminal name there is a command TTY. What is showing? dev/pts/2. So we are inside this terminal. In this terminal, if you will insert the command TTY, you can check PTS1. So always remember who command is used to check the currently logged in user in your system. Now if I will do Control L, it will clear the screen. Another command is W. It is similar to the who command, but it will provide you much detailed information. Login time, CPU, and what they are using. Bash is stand for shell. Bash is stand for shell. So in who you will get the information of currently logged in user. In W you will get the currently logged in user information with some details like that how much CPU they are using, what is the average load on the system, and what they are using. Another command is who am I. It will give you the username of logged in user. So who, logged in user information. W, logged in user information with the information of what they are doing and the information of CPU consumption also. And who am I will provide you the username. Command who am I with no space will only reflect you user name. Command uptime, this very useful command will reflect you the time the system is up. So system is up from 57 minutes. How many users are active? 4 users are active. Now cut. So uptime, now you can check 2 users. So it's depend the number of terminals we are opening. So no need to worry about that. Uptime will provide you detailed information from how much time your system is active or up. So that will reflected into the uptime command. Log name is also one command. So log name will provide you the name of currently logged in user. So what command we have discussed? W, who am I, log name. So user name with the two commands who am I also giving the user logged in username, and log name is also giving the logged in username. W is providing the information of currently logged in user and what he is doing, and who is providing the information and of only logged in user, he will not perform. This indicating is local system. If any remote user will logged in it, here you will see the IP of remote system using that particular terminal. So this is the basic commands which are used to identify who is logged in your system. Thanks for watching. If you have any issues or any questions, kindly put your question in the comment section. Thank